recording.
Wonder if he's going up to the house.
No, he had his girlfriend with him.
You still got your radio on?
Yeah, but it don't come in down here. I just shut the volume down.
Oh. Figured we go out like we go to Adventure and go out that way.
Okay.
I don't know if you want to stop somewhere in Sugar Creek or whatever Amish country to grab a little bite to eat for lunch.
Wonder if our place in Millersburg is open.
Where?
In Millersburg.
Oh. I don't know. The hotel?
Yeah.
Should be. Did you figure out how to turn the camera on?
I got it going. Oh, damn Turkey.
Yeah. The other camera, when we had it hooked up, it wasn't recording anything you said. But I disconnected it from the phone, so I don't know if that's why or not.
I don't know.
But we need to figure out so you can listen to your music
Yeah.
and it doesn't come across. Or I need to buy that subscription so I can get music on YouTube.
How much is that?
Don't quote me, but I was thinking it was like anywhere $11 to $20 a month. That way you could just, whatever you listen to, most of it's covered. But I don't see how they can cut you off because you're listening to the radio. You know?
Right.
But they do. When we're coming back on Key West, I almost had to change every song you were listening to.
There's Sean White.
Did you wave?
I waved at him. I don't know if he saw me because he was looking at his trailer.
I waved. He's looking kind of my way, but I don't know if you recognized it or not.
Maybe he was looking his mirror at you then.
I don't know if he even knows I got a new bike or not.
Oh, he does. He follows us on Facebook. He don't comment, but he watches us, he said. Because I says, oh, we just got back from Daytona. And he goes, I know. I saw. I'm like, whoa.
So, I got a bug in my shoe.
In your shoe?
A shield.
Oh. Like in your shoe?
Going around on the visor. Still there. He might eat me.
It just wanted to go for a ride.
Yeah. He feel like flying himself, huh?
Yeah.
So tell me how great your shocks are.
Oh, they're wonderful. It rides different. I don't know why, but it does. It maneuvers totally different.
Probably because they took that lowering kit back out.
Yeah.
Put it back to the original specs.
I can't feel any of the railroad tracks and stuff. It feels really nice.
I find that hard to believe.
It does.
I've been wanting to take it out just for a little ride, just see how it feels.
Good. I know.
I was thinking next week's bike week, but I didn't know if you really wanted to go to bike week or go to the Grand Canyons. Something to think about.
Yeah. Are they out?
Somebody's sitting on the porch. I thought it was Karen, but it's Karen, right?
No.
Karen's a younger one.
Yeah. You mean his wife?
Yeah. I can't
What
even
is her
think.
name?
I can't even think right now.
So you used to call her Mrs. Kinney. Sandy.
That's right. Two.